So pag nagkaroon ng problem yung computer natin, so what do we do? What is the first thing we do, di ba? Quick initial steps for any computer problem. So una-una, check natin yung cable. Regardless of the problem, check nyo yung cable, nakasaksak mo siya, baka nagsuspark na yung cable natin, di ba? And then, check nyo din yung power button sa likod kung naka-off or naka-on ba. And then, ito, I think some of you have heard it na yung RAM, just unlatch it and then rub it with an eraser. Kasi usually may static build-up. Lalo kung matagal na natin hindi nalilinis yung computer natin. Static build-up, hindi siya na-detect ng system natin. So, ano niya, unlatch niya lang, eraser niya lang yung gold edge, and then plug it back in. And then check your monitor. Check ulit yung cable. It might be turned off lang.